let me introduce myself. My name is Erlin Deborah, you can call me Erlin. Now, I want to tell you about cars. First, I think cars is good transportation than others. Why? Because I think cars really awesome. Car is the most transportation that I want. Well, actually, I cannot drive cars now, but sometimes I will. Now I want to ask you guys, do you know car at earliest, latest or now and for the future? You don't know, right? Let me tell you. Cars is vehicles used to transport passengers. Cars usually have four wheels and an internal combustion engine. About car, we can't see much car at road, right? And do you know when car 10 in this world? And how about the design at first? You don't know? Or actually you know but you forget? Okay, let me tell you. Well, at the beginning in the 1770, many people tried to make cars that would run on steam. Some early steam cars worked well and some didn't. Beginning in the 1880, investors tried hard to make cars that would run well enough to use every day. The model of car at first is like this. You can see that? Okay. So, that's like that. And you did you see the wheels? The wheels is really big, right? And it just it just had three wheels. Well, at the time the name is wagons, but because it's very slow and hard to drive it, the wagons changed into car who have machine. And car in this time is something like this. Wait, yeah, something like this. Whoa, very cool, right? Nah, yeah, I know that. In this time, car is one transportation that very popular. Just look at this at that photo. As you can see, the car is very modern, right? Now I want to tell you about my imagine for car at future. This is what I think car like what at future. Like this. Ooh, awesome. So, uh, uh, this cars is don't need wheels and then can fly, so this world don't have traffic jam. And also these cars don't need petrol, so we cannot see any pollution anymore. It's more environmental friendly, right? I think that's all for me. Thanks for watching my video. See ya.